Hello guys, welcome back to AWMFX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are. So here we have a case study. Previously, a lot of people asked me, is it possible that we must find MPL in every trade? It all depends. If you are trading in a higher time frame, yes, the answer is definitely we will find a MPL. All right. So here I'm gonna give you an example: XAUUSD 5 minutes. The problem here is that we are trading at a very low time frame. 5 minutes means that you can't go any further down except for 1 minute, which I don't really should I say encourage you to do that. All right. So this is a trade yesterday. This is the opportunity yesterday. A QML for a buy setup. All right, a buy setup QML. So how do we approach this trade? So let's see. Okay, first of all, we are having a downtrend over here. What we are having here is a downtrend. So we can see the trend is going down. Okay, making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. All right. So where is my QML? So this is my QML. Okay, by the way, QML can be used for all time frame, right? Even to 1 minute, but just that the movement. Okay, how big is your movement? For gold, small time frame is okay. I won't say should be okay. I like to trade a small time frame for this goal, because the bigger the time frame is, the bigger the stop loss, and the bigger my risk is. I always control my risk. All right, so here I have my QML, means that this is my left shoulder, so this is my head. All right, so I'll put a line at this place at this moment. So right now the price went up and then broke my previous high over here. You can consider the high over here or high over here, it does not matter. All right, so it broke my high. Then what happened is that the price slowly coming back down. Now I need to find an entry. So how do I identify entry? At this point, if you look at it properly, there is no MPL, nothing, because the price goes back up quite smoothly. Okay, just a small demand zone over here. So what you can do, all right, in this situation, because this is a small time frame, that we are going to go back to the basic. What is our basic? Supply and demand. All right, so we are trading supply and demand all this while. So here we are looking for fresh demand zone. So we have a very beautiful fresh demand zone, which is this area. If you guys do not know how I identify my or how I define my demand and supply, you can go back and watch one of the video that I've did for you guys. That is my own definition of supply and demand. All right, so come back to this trade. So what I did is that I saw a fresh demand, and then the stop loss is not really that big. So this is my demand zone, and then the stop loss is 9 pips, around 9 pips to 10 pips. Alright, for 5 minutes is very good. So what I did is that I put my buy limit at this point, and then my stop loss beyond a bit lower. I usually go a bit lower, that is my rule, a bit lower from my zone. This is my Q zone or my buy zone. So the price came to this area exactly, and then bounce back up. All right, bounce back up. So this is the right shoulder. For this type of trade, if you look at it, this is what we consider as QML quick retest, because the range between the left shoulder to the head and the head to the right shoulder is almost the same. There is no fake out or no compression, nothing. It is very similar. The time is almost the same. I say almost. All right, so this is how I trade. And where did I put my take profit? So my take profit, I put it at this area. So this is where I took the trade out. Okay, let me give it another color, red color maybe. Yes. So this is where I put my or place my take profit, because this is a ultimate zone for me, and there is a lot of resistance behind. That's all. So this is how I approach this trade. Simple, easy, 5 minutes go, fast moving trade. So my risk reward was around, I would say it's around not much, but I'm very happy with it. Around 5 times. Yes, 1 to 5, 1 to 5, not my usual. I mean, more than that, but it's okay. It's okay for me because I got some profit out of this. All right. So a lot of you also ask me, is it possible that every time you get profit you don't get stop loss? No. Okay, no, I do get stop loss. I do get stop loss a lot of time. It's just that my risk reward, I control it very correctly. So you guys must know what to do with your risk reward. If you look at this trade, it's 1 to 5, means that I win this trade. Okay, if I profit from this trade, I can go on for 5 stop loss. So usually my trade will be around 2 to 3 stop loss, and then one very big take profit. So that's why I'm always in a profitable condition. Even though my win rate is not really that high, I will consider it's around 50 to 60%. But I always control my risk. Okay, I always control my risk. So this is how I approach this trade. So hopefully you guys learn a few tricks or tips about this. Not every trade you can get MPL, especially in small time frame. All right, so hopefully you guys learn something, and then that's all. So see you guys next time. Bye.